What happened?
What's that?
What's going on?
Well,
What happened?
Okay.
Sir, you just opening my door?
Yeah, go ahead and step out there.
Why you need my license for?
Why? Because it's on a traffic stop. I'm asking you. You have to identify yourself.
No, I don't have to identify myself. I got a plate on my car.
As well. Go ahead and step out, though. So go ahead and step out. I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I'm not finna step out the car. What do I got to step out the car for? You stopped me illegally. You are stopping me illegally. I told you I filed 7 federal cases. I want all 7 of them. I filed all myself. I go down to federal building. I follow myself, officers like you. So if you're ready to go ahead and go down there, we can go down there. It don't matter.
What's worse than being pulled over and harassed by a road pirate for bogus reasons? Being pulled over and harassed by a road pirate who looks like he's still in high school. This is the Detroit Police Department pulling over Let's Talk Numbers.
What happened?
what's that?
What's going on?
Well,
What happened?
Hi, I'm Officer Caswell, Detroit Police Department.
What's going on?
I pulled you over is
Yeah.
I ran your plate. It's not coming back to anything.
That's not right. That's not true.
Okay, do you have your driver's license registration?
Sir, that's not true.
Okay, do you have your driver's license?
You see it. We run it again.
Okay, do you have your driver's license?
You can run it again, sir.
Okay, do you have your driver's license?
Can you just run my plate again?
Okay.
Sir, you just opening my door?
Yeah, go ahead and step out then.
Sir, what? For what? Am I being under arrest?
You gonna hand me your driver's license?
This is a legal stop, sir.
This is a legal stop.
This is illegal.
Okay, do you have your driver's license?
I'm telling you my license, my plate is right, so I don't know what's the problem.
Okay, do you have your driver's license? I'm
Did
asking
you
one
run my
more
plate
time.
yet already?
It's not coming back to anything. Do you have your driver's license?
Why you need my license for?
Why? Because it's on a traffic stop. I'm asking you. You have to identify yourself.
No, I don't have to identify myself. I got a plate on my car.
As well. You have to identify yourself.
I'm here legally, sir. I'm here legally.
You're here legally?
Sir, can you call your supervisor?
Yeah, go ahead and step out though.
Like, what I got to step out the car for?
Because I'm asking you to. It's a traffic stop, man.
That's not how
So I'm
traffic
gonna
stop works.
explain something. So go ahead and actually here I got it.
That's not how traffic stop works, man.
Okay, so go ahead and step out. I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I'm not finna step out the car. What do I got to step out the car for? I don't feel safe to step out the car, sir.
Okay, so that's not how this works.
What you mean how does it work? That is how it works.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you. One more time.
You stopped me illegally. This is a Terry stop. You know what Terry stop is? You know Terry versus Ohio?
So
Have you heard
this
Terry
is
versus?
Okay, so listen.
Okay, you heard Terry versus Ohio before.
I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I'm asking you, sir. Do you know what Terry versus Ohio
You're
is?
gonna end up going to jail.
For what?
I'm gonna explain that, but right now, I'm gonna ask you. For
So
your
I'm under
driver's
arrest. You
license.
see, you make me get out the car under threat of arrest, right?
Under threats of arrest.
You just said I'm gonna rearrested if I don't get out the car.
So
You tell
right
me
now
get
I'm giving a lawful order, okay? Because I have to verify.
Sir, are you making me get out the vehicle under threat of arrest?
I can't identify you, man.
Sir, are you making me get out the vehicle under the threat of arrest?
Because I can't identify you, please step out of the car.
No, I'm saying, are you making me get out under threat of arrest?
Are you gonna step?
Am
out
I
of the
under
car?
arrest or am I seized on probable cause?
I cannot verify who I'm speaking to because you won't give me your driver's
my
license.
my ID is right there on the back of the car, sir.
Okay, you want to grab it? So
What you mean? No, my ID, the plate that's my ID. That's my identification for you.
So is there a reason why there's a temp plate on the car?
Why not?
You want to give me that information?
Why not?
Okay, go ahead and step out.
I'm under threat of arrest.
I'm asking you to step out of the car.
If I don't
And then
step
I'm gonna
out,
grab you, and then you're gonna go to jail.
Why would you grab me for?
Because I'm asking you to step out the car. Okay, that's fine.
Sir, so you make me get out under threat of arrest?
Yep, step out of the car. Face the door, please. Patch it down, make sure you don't have weapons on you.
So under threat of arrest and under the threat of the use of force, if he doesn't get out, Let's Talk Numbers steps out of the vehicle. Now, this idea of a cop ordering us out of our vehicles comes from the Supreme Court's ruling in the unconstitutional Pennsylvania versus Mims. Why is it unconstitutional? Well, beyond the obvious wording of the Fourth Amendment, I'm in agreement with the dissenting judges Brennan, Marshall, and Stevens, who essentially said that the majority opinion gave too much discretion to police officers, allowing them to search detainees whenever they could invent any basis for concern. And that's what this Detroit cop is doing, inventing a reason to exercise control over a fellow human being. So these cops are emboldened to trample our rights as they fly comfortably under the banner of this Supreme Court ruling, which claimed that officer safety is both legitimate and weighty, and that the intrusion into a person's liberty occasioned by the order to get out of the car is just a mere inconvenience. The black-robed tyrants further claim that liberty cannot prevail when balanced against legitimate concerns for officer safety. In other words, officer safety outshines and eclipses your rights.
Okay, go ahead and walk to the front of my car. So walk to the front of my car, please. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. So I cannot.
All right, can you stand back from me?
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
feel threatened, man. No, you just threatened to grab me. You just threatened to put your hands on me.
Okay.
I feel very, very vulnerable right now, sir.
That's fine. Okay. So,
Okay.
So this is where we're at.
Where we at is you got me out here for a legal stop. I don't answer questions by police officers. So if you ask me any questions, I'm not going to answer them.
Okay, that's fine. So take your hands out of your pockets. So right now, the reason I stopped you is because when you run the plate, it doesn't come back to any of this.
Sir, my plate is totally legit.
Okay. Is there a reason for the temp plate?
I don't have to answer any questions posed by a police officer.
Okay. Do you have your ID?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you want to grab it? Do you want to identify
Are you
yourself?
going to arrest me? Am I under arrest? Or am I being detained?
So if you don't identify yourself, yes.
Okay. There you go. There you go. I'll let you take it out.
Thank you.
'Cause I don't want you to feel threatened, and I don't want to feel threatened.
I appreciate that. Is it Mr. Palmer?
Yes.
Okay. Tell you what, my partner's gonna run your name.
Oh, you
Make
need
sure
to
on the
Google
vehicle-
my name first. That's what you need
What'd
to
you
do.
say?
You need to Google it first.
Google it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. You're definitely gonna hear me.
Here's his back.
Okay.
So my partner's gonna run your name. If everything checks out,
I done
get
filed
you out.
7 federal cases. I won all 7 of them. So I don't. And whatever you want to do, you
Do
can
you
do.
have your registration?
Huh?
Do you have the registration?
Of course I have registration. My vehicle is right here. You see the vehicle is legal right here.
Do you have the certificate of registration?
I have everything, sir.
Is it in the vehicle?
Yes, it is.
The
Indeed.
insurance in the vehicle?
Everything, sir.
Okay, I need to see that.
Okay.
Are you willing to grab that?
I got to do it on threat of arrest.
If you don't do that, you're gonna get tickets. I don't want to do that. I'm not a big ticket writer, man.
I'm gonna get tickets for what? Everything's legit on my
For
vehicle.
the one, no proof of insurance.
Huh?
Okay, you might have insurance. You might have insurance on the vehicle, but I need to see proof. Does that make sense?
Okay, if you run my plate, you will see it has proof of insurance.
No, so
The plate is
tell me
plate
if
is
you
only
have
1 day
insurance,
old.
But I need to see like a hard copy. of
Have you ever got
insurance.
a have you ever got a plate for a tag plate for your car?
I have not.
So you never had a new car in your life.
I have had a new car.
Okay,
but
so
I've never
you had a tag plate.
I've never
temporary
had
plate.
So
Okay.
are you gonna show me
Did
proof of insurance?
did you actually look at the plate? You haven't even looked at the plate all the way correctly, have you?
I was behind you way back
All right. Do you
there.
see the blue stamp on that plate from the Secretary of State?
So listen,
Sir, do you see the blue plant from the Secretary of State on
I'm
there?
not gonna go back and forth.
You can do whatever you want to do.
I'll be getting some tickets.
Go ahead, do whatever you want to do, sir.
So you have a warrant,
You can
okay?
call whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do, sir.
I'm not gonna take you to jail on it.
I don't care about the warrant. That's the point. It's like 20 years old. So do whatever you want to do, sir.
Okay, I'm not gonna take you to jail on it.
I don't care about none
I'm
of
gonna
that. Man.
cut you a couple tickets and we'll let you get out of here. Okay?
You write me a ticket for what? You haven't even looked at my plate. It
Yeah,
says
so I'm
Secretary of
gonna
State
grab-
right there.
So I'm gonna grab the VIN off of there.
That's from the Secretary of
get
State
the
branch
car
plate.
pulled up.
Have you looked at the plate? You haven't looked at the plate either, have you?
I did, sir.
All right. So you see the Secretary of State stamp on there? Huh?
And then if you show up to court with the insurance and the registration, I'll waive the tickets.
Sir, it's no waiving it. My plate is right here.
I'm not gonna go. I'm done
Huh?
going back and forth. Okay.
Oh, you see me in court. You see me downtown, Federal Building.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, for sure.
Nice.
It's called 1983.
Cool.
All right.
Where you stay at?
Don't worry about that. I don't ask questions
Okay.
about police officers. Posed by police officers.
Okay.
My place right here. You can see everything right there.
You have registration?
Do you notice you helping him with a legal stop? Do you know you're going to be going to court with him? Oh, so you vouching for everything he does. Thank you,
Do you have the insurance?
sir. Where's the supervisor,
So. I don't-
sir? I want to see a supervisor.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
Give me a couple minutes. Okay?
Yes. All right.
What's the reasoning for the supervisor?
Because you stopped me illegally.
So I didn't.
Yes,
but
you
I
did.
need
You
to-
are stopping me illegally.
I'm not stopping.
You passed stopping me illegal. I told her I filed 7 federal cases. I won all 7 of them. I filed all myself. I go down to Federal Building. I follow myself, officers like you. So if you're ready to go ahead and go down there, we can go down there. It don't matter.
Okay. I mean,
Yeah.
if that's something you want to do, that.
I'm going to do it. It's not something I'm going. I'm going to file it on you.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, all right.
So what's the reasoning for the supervisor?
I want a supervisor down here.
Believing that.
Oh no, I want him to come down here. Yes, I want, because you give me you trying to give me tickets for something that clearly I have insurance and clearly I have a registration.
Yeah, so I need to see proof.
What do you mean proof? It's proof right there, Secretary of State.
No, so the insurance.
Sir, this says Secretary of State on it.
I'm saying, do you
Sir, Secretary of State right there. It's clear as day. You can't miss it.
do you have?
I even got it laminated for you, nice and laminated, nice and clear for you. I even took it out the window. You see the window? It had a sticker. It was stuck in the window. I put it on laminated just for police officers like you. Just for you. I have insurance. I have registration. If you want to keep playing this game, you can play it all you want to, man. You see I clearly have it. I'm at work right now, actually. Sir, can you call your supervisor? How long is it going to be? How long am I being detained? Sir, can you get the supervisor down here, sir? Sir, officer.
All right, so you can have a good night, okay? I'm not gonna cut you any tickets. Make sure you get that warrant taken care of.
All right.
Okay. Have a good night.
Well, you know you're still going to court, right?
That's fine.
Okay.
Now, I'm waiting to see if there's going to be a follow-up with this. This man's rights were clearly violated. I'll leave the link to Let's Talk Numbers in the description. Let him know how you think he did and tell him here's the deal sent you. And Let's Talk Numbers, if you're watching this, we'd like to see a follow-up on it. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. That's highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description. Grab a shirt, but more importantly, stand for your rights. If you don't exercise your rights, you'll definitely lose them. I'll see you in the next video.